Right, Monday, November 30th. Here it is, just after lunch. Yeah, November 30th, 2020. And we're here at a job at Camp Hill. This is one of my brother's jobs. I'm here to put the stumps and steel beams in. He's busy elsewhere. So because it's getting busy, it is near Christmas, so yeah, he's busy. So we're doing this one, we're getting in there. The builders have been doing all the holes and they're doing the excavation. They've got units going out the back. I thought I'd show you the house. That's what she looks like at the moment. It's been slid over so they could get the units at the back. There are 3 units going in. And Frank is busy making posts. We've got a few posts in already. I've got quite a bit of busting on this one. This one's solid rock, it's all in shale. So we've got all these holes are in shale. So all we can do is the best we can with, or best they could with getting the holes in. Once they're down, now we can bust them, open them up to where we've got to put them, as we did with this one here. As you can see where we did the cut, they drilled it over there. There's the cut. We're a long way down, already far enough in the hole, and that's where the post goes, almost to that step. With all the posts across the back done, a lot of jackhammering in there as well. We've got a bit of jackhammering to go. We're pouring in 2 days. I only need 3 metres, so that's coming in. And Frankie's getting more practice on the stick, as he's using a stick welder on this one. Because we've got plenty of time, we're not in a hurry. So he's able to spend time playing with the stick. He needs more practice on the stick. He's good with the MIG, but he needs more practice on the stick. It's good for him. So yeah, we've got all these holes. There's a few we can't get in, because up there we've got that steel beam is actually in the way of one of the posts. And we've got the same, that steel beam there is in the way of 2 posts, one on either end. And plus that corner's too high, so what we're going to do is do as many posts as we can. And there'll just be 3 more posts we've got to do by Friday. So we're going to let the house down, and Monday all the steel beams go, and so next week all the steel beams these steel beams go on the styes, and the steel beams to go underneath it arrive. So that's what we're up to. You can see I've got a retainer wall going here. They've got a step down for the garage. There's steps down 5 feet down there, and there's a post in here in the holes. So we've got to fill those before they can dig that out. So that'll be Wednesday. But yeah, all going well. They're doing more excavation there, trying to get ready for the retainer walls they've got to do. Get all that done. I thought I'd just quick show what we're doing here on Monday on this job at Camp Hill. Alrighty, that's it. We'll catch up with you later. I'll show you more as things happen, and we'll see how things go later on during the week. Okay, talk to you soon. See yous.